Hey guys, this is Dr. Strickland at Better Life Chiropractic, and this is my first unboxing video, but we're doing it because we're really excited about the new technology we're bringing into the office. We don't do this very often, but when we do, it's because it's going to serve a really higher purpose. So we find that 90% of our patients that we get, we can help simply with adjusting and manual techniques, nutrition, but there's always about 10% that we notice that need a higher therapy, and that's why we have laser therapy. Our MLS laser has been a really great service for those difficult cases. But even that, we're finding that 10% of those laser patients aren't responding the way that we like them to. And so I recently came upon, oh, this is beautiful. This looks good already. So I recently came upon some new technology. It's called extracorporeal acoustic shockwave therapy. Specifically, and the one that's the top of the line in the market is called Softwave. And what this guy does is it puts a shockwave that's moving about 4 times the speed of sound into your body. And what that does is it tricks the body. Ooh, this was fun. Looks like a little bit of a plasma box right here. And I think this is a plasma tube. Isn't that right? Plasma tube. I love technology. But what this does is when it puts that shockwave into your body, it tricks the cells into believing that it was injured, but it wasn't injured. And it does 3 important things for your body. The one thing it does is it massively decreases inflammation. It also has an analgesic effect. But more importantly, it brings in extra blood vessels. Like, it literally creates what we call angiogenesis, where it creates more vasculature around that injury. And when you have old injuries that are chronic and degenerated and have a difficult time responding to traditional care, it just needs more blood flow. But my favorite thing about it is that this is really stem cell therapy. You've heard about stem cells, but when you take exogenous stem cells from someone else's body and you put it into yours, it may help regenerate a place, but there is some research showing that it may not be good for your health in the long run. And so what this does is it actually activates your own body's mesenchymal stem cells to go into an area and help heal it much, much faster. The reason we ultimately decided to buy this was our own Dr. Price. He has had knee pain for 20 years. And we had our salesman come out and demo this to us about a month ago. And Dr. Price has had knee pain from rugby. He was a college level rugby. As a matter of fact, he was in the national title rugby game in college, kind of a stud. But what happened was he had surgery. He's had steroid injections. He's had chiropractic work. We've done laser on it, prolotherapy. Nothing has helped this guy's knee. And when we applied this thing to his knee, literally when he was done with treatment, he's like, for the first time in 20 years, my knee not only feels different, but it feels better. And that let us know that, wow, this should be something that would make a big difference. So I did some homework on it. Turns out that this has helped a lot of people. It's used by professional athletes. Most professional teams are now having these shockwave therapy devices. You'll see it's going to become very, very popular right now. I think with opioid addiction and what we're seeing with failed surgeries, I really think that the future is going to be getting away from surgery as much as possible. And so this Softwave device is going to be great for our patients. So we're going to have some fun with this today. Today's our training day. We've got a trainer up here from Utah to show us how to use it. And we're going to have some trial patients come in and get their first treatment. And we'll be showing that on video as well. Thanks for watching. Okay. Good. That's all I'm going to do. Okay, let's unbox this bad boy, guys.
You messed up with the didn't say bye.
Bye. Yeah.